Yes, a pop-up drink stand should absolutely use a digital menu, because it lets you change prices and flavors in seconds, cuts down on printing costs, and helps you sell more by showing off pictures that make people hungry and thirsty right when they walk up. Think of a digital menu like a magic chalkboard that updates itself. Instead of paying for new paper signs every time you run out of strawberry lemonade or want to raise your price by 50 cents, you just tap a screen or update an app, and boom, it is done everywhere at once. Here's something most people do not know. Plenty of successful pop-up stands actually use a cheap tablet propped up in a little stand, paired with a free app instead of some expensive fancy system. This means you do not need thousands of dollars to look professional. Another trick is that digital menus let you test which drink names or pictures get more attention, kind of like a mini science experiment for your business. You can literally see which item people click on or ask about most, then push that item harder because it is probably your biggest moneymaker. One mistake a lot of stand owners make is filling the screen with too many options, which actually confuses customers and slows down the line. Keep it simple. Maybe 6 to 8 drinks, and let seasonal specials rotate in and out. Another common issue is bad lighting or glare on the screen during sunny days, which makes it unreadable, so angle your screen away from direct sunlight or add a small shade. Lastly, do not forget a backup plan, because if your internet or battery dies, you need a small paper menu just in case, so customers are never left guessing. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.